In this video, I will give you the geometric verification of trigonometric ratios of 0 degree for all the primary and secondary ratios. Let us consider one triangle. Let it be ABC with angle B is equal to 90 degree and angle C is equal to theta. Theta is some acute angle. Now, if we are going to find out the geometric ratios for 0 degree, in that case the theta has to be 0 degree. So, in process of making this angle theta, I have to decrease the arm AC slightly downward so that the angle become 0 degree. And in doing so, you will find that while bringing the arm AC down, the point A will come down and one stage will come when the point A will coincide with B. In attempt of making angle theta equal to 0 degree, when the arm of AC will come down, the point A will coincide with point B. In that case, for 0 degree, the arm AC will coincide with arm BC, so AC will become equal to BC. And you will find that while bringing this point A down, the length of AB will at last become 0. So, two things we have noticed: AC becomes equal to BC and AB becomes 0. So now let us find out the ratios for trigonometric relations starting from sine. As we know, sine theta which is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Therefore, for sine 0 degree, as you know, the perpendicular AB, hypotenuse AC. For 0 degree, AB becomes 0 and hypotenuse AC which is equal to BC. So we can write it either equal AC or BC. So 0 upon AC will be equal to 0. Okay. Let us see cos 0 degree. So cos 0 degree which is equal to base upon hypotenuse. Now you can see here the base BC and hypotenuse AC both have become equal. So when you write it BC upon AC and BC and AC both are equal, so we can write it BC upon BC also. So it cancels to give you equal to 1. So cos 0 degree is equal to 1. Now tan 0 degree. As we know, tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base. So tan 0 degree is equal to perpendicular AB upon base BC. And as AB has become 0, so 0 upon BC will be equal to 0. Also, we can find out the secondary ratios. Cosec 0 degree. Now cosec is reciprocal of sine. So 1 upon sine 0 and sine 0 is equal to 0. Therefore 1 upon 0 is equal to not defined. Sec 0 degree which is reciprocal of cos, and cos 0 degree is equal to 1. So 1 upon 1 equal to 1. And cot 0 degree which is equal to reciprocal of tan, so 1 upon tan 0. And as we have seen, tan 0 is equal to 0. So 1 upon 0 which is equal to not defined. So in this way, geometrically also we can find out the trigonometric ratios for 0 degree.